Hello everyone, welcome back to Vinita Online Nursing Classes. Yes, today, the 24th October, on this day, all over the world is recognized as World Polio Day. The main objective of this day is to increase awareness among the masses about this deadly type of disease. Generally, we have idea regarding the polio. So it is a highly contagious and the dangerous disease which is caused by a virus. This polio virus is mainly attacks the nervous system. It shows the dangerous levels of this disease. So that is the percentage or the ratio is 1 in 200. We can able to see the disease of this condition is 1 in 200. 1 in 200 out of the 200 people, the one person will be infected and face the risk of the permanent paralysis. Okay, according to the World Health Organization, the eradication of polio was especially considered important on the global scale. So that is why the World Polio Day is an important occasion for the observation to raise awareness for the polio vaccination and also the eradication of the polio. See here, this World Polio Day is established by the Rotary International, ROTARY, Rotary International, especially on the birth of Jonas Salk. So he is the medical researcher who led the first team especially for the developing a vaccine against the polio. From there, the World Polio Day has been observed for over a decade now. He has developed the inactivated polio virus vaccine that came into the use in the year 1955. After him, the Albert Sabin has also developed the oral polio vaccine. So that came into use in the year of 1961. See here, the establishment of the Global Polio Eradication Initiative means, one of the initiative GPEI, the Global Polio Eradication Initiative. So that is happened in the year 1988. And then it was launched by the Rotary International, along with the Rotary International and along with the World Health Organization. So this Global Polio Eradication Initiative was happened in the year of the 1988. So there were nearly 350,000 cases of the polio across the world. In the year 1988, there were the cases, 350,000 cases they have been identified. So here there are the several regions different types of the areas, America, Europe, Southeast Asia and Western Pacific. So they have been declared the polio free. Some of the countries like Pakistan or the Afghanistan, so they are having they shows the witness that the witness will be occurs the rare occurrences of these type of the diseases. This day, the special day, World Polio Day, is the perfect occasion to spread awareness about the dangers of this disease, and also it shows immense need to vaccinate babies according to the schedule. We all know that as per the schedule, we need to vaccinate the babies. So as to completely eradicate the virus, so the babies should need to vaccinate according to the schedule. On this day, on this polio day, the organization around the world such as the Rotary International and also along with the Rotary International, World Health Organization also will celebrate the individuals, and the organization will be involved against the global fight against the polio and also their efforts to completely eradicate the virus. Along with this celebratory note, so there is it also seeks the spreading awareness to all. Okay, so there are some of the important facts about the polio. See here, especially the polio vaccine should be given multiple times. according to the immunization schedule, the polio vaccine should be vaccinated for the babies, and almost always it always protects a child for life, and it also saves lives, and it also take care of yourself and the family on this special day. Okay, so there are some of the important facts about the polio. The polio is a deadly disease. It is a deadly disease, especially that will be given these facts that will be helping us to understand the disease further and make us to aware the importance of the polio eradication day. Okay, then the polio, these type of the polio, first it spreads mainly through the infected feces, like the defecation process and also the contaminated water. So due to the infected human waste, and it also can even spread from person to person through a like cough or sneeze, like through any upper respiratory tract infections. Also this type of the polio will be spread from the person to person. While a person of any age, so that will be having that person can have any prey to the disease, like that will be mainly affecting the people with the compromised immune systems, like mainly it will be affecting the antenatal mothers, means pregnant women, and also it affects the children who are having with the under 5 age group. Got it, ma? Then there are the two basic patterns of this disease. The polio is having the basic two patterns. The first type is the minor illness. Minor illness we can able to call it as a abortive poliomyelitis. So that this abortive poliomyelitis that doesn't affect the central nervous system. But coming to the second type of the polio, second type of the disease, basic pattern that is more critical than compared to the first type, minor illness. So this second type is majorly directly it will be affecting the central nervous system. So if the person is having affected with the central nervous system automatically, so the person may show with the paralytic, or sometimes if it is in a like mild condition, the person may observe like a non-paralytic condition. So we can able to see this second type of the polio, basic pattern of this disease, 95% of the cases we can able to see. So that 95% that doesn't show any symptoms. Okay, then coming to the post-polio syndrome. So post-polio syndrome is also one of the part of this disease. There we can able to see in some cases the polio survivors also relapsing after years of any years of recovery we can able to see. So in the case of these affected like paralysis, 5 to 10% of the patients will be affecting with this first type of the stage of the pattern. Okay, then breathing muscles also sometimes become immobilized. So when the breathing muscles will be becoming the immobilized means, so it is affecting from the mild to moderate. The disease is spreading from the mild to moderate, then the breathing muscles will be affected. Okay, then polio does not have any cure. We should remember at any time there is no cure for the polio. So that is that's why we need to take the preventive measures through the vaccines. So by that absolutely that is important for the babies need to be provided according to the schedule wise. The baby should be vaccinated. Okay, so here a single child being infected that can put kids in all the countries at the world at the risk. So if the one baby is infected with this type of the disease, then in all the countries they can able to, like according to the ratio, according to the rational wise, in all the countries of the world they will be having the risk. Okay, as per the year of the 2020, the Global Commission, in the year 2020, the Global Commission for the Certification of the Poliomyelitis Eradication has been declared that the world polio virus type is globally eradicated. Okay, so from the according to the as per the 2020 census, so the polio has no cure. There is no other way to stop its spread than to immunize the baby at the earliest as possible, as early as possible. We should immunize the baby to stop the spreading of this polio virus. Okay, so if you are the parent or if you are the family member, so we must ensure to protect the baby's life by providing him or her the vaccination on the time, and all the parents should perform their part, especially in reducing the transmission of this deadly type of the disease. We know already it is a very dangerous condition, especially that will be impacted because of this disease that cannot be cured. So we have to live completely, like if there is a presence of this type of the infection, the person may completely as handicapped person. Okay, most of the time it impacts on the legs. So the polio virus impacted or the affected person, they cannot able to move his legs. It is very difficult for him. In some cases, it is also sometimes affected on the chest, neck region, like internal organs. But mainly, this polio virus is impacting or the affecting on the legs. Okay, since 1950, the world has a polio vaccine. So from the 1950, there is a polio eradication vaccine, means by the vaccination. So this vaccine that should be given only for the kids and all the adult peoples also. So more than once, just to like make sure activated, so that should activated in the human body. Okay, so here this year the theme of this polio day theme is stores of progress past and the present, means a win against polio is win for global health. Okay, so means it was like chosen to acknowledge the progress, so that is especially made for in the struggle to eradicate the polio, as well as to recognize the many efforts to everyone involved in the process. Okay, I would like to say that awareness is most important in this pandemic. So better to get the vaccine for your babies. Better we save the coming generation from these type of the infectious disease. This is the national immunization schedule. The time when to given, and also for the children, DPT booster will be there, OPV booster, measles and the rubella 2, and Japanese encephalitis, vitamin A, DPT booster, and TT. Okay, so according to the months wise, we should vaccinate the babies. So all the parents should follow this immunization schedule. And there is one more immunization schedule. This is also one of the immunization schedule. This immunization schedule, especially for the pregnant woman, for infants and for children, according to the age group, when to give and what is the dosage and what is the dilute and what is the route of that vaccine, and where the site of that vaccine should be given for the pregnant woman, for the infants and for the children. So this is the national immunization schedule plan. Okay, I hope that you will follow the you'll follow the proper immunizations for your baby, and better we can save the coming generation from these infectious disease. Okay, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.